Surrender means to become simple like a little child. Pandityam nirvidya balyena tishthaset. There is the story of one Panditji who used to worship the Lord in a Sanatan Dharma Mandir. So Sanatan Dharma Mandir has got many deities of God. He used to worship the Lord there. And for his help, he had kept a little orphan boy. That orphan boy used to assist Panditji in the puja, in the cleaning, in preparing the bhog, etc. And Panditji would feed him. It was a win-win situation. So one day Panditji said, Beta, I need to go for Tirth Yatra to Badrikashram, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamnotri. I will be back in 2 months. For 2 months, you need to take care of the mandir and Bhagavan. Most important, you have to offer bhog to Bhagavan. So like I used to do, you must also do. Now the problem was that the child used to help prepare it. But the bhog used to be behind the curtain. So he didn't know what was going on inside. Now Panditji left the rations for 2 months. The next day, the boy prepared the bhog samagri. He decorated it on the offering plate. And he entered the altar, he placed the plate before Ram, Sita, Lakshman and said, Hey Prabhu, please come and accept this humble offering. None of the deities were willing to move. He said, what is the matter? Panditji said, you must offer to him. And God is not willing to eat. Maybe he doesn't like my cooking. So he went, trashed the food, prepared another plate and brought it. Hey Bhagavan, please today at least accept it. Again the murtis are not willing to move. So the child started crying, if you don't eat, I will also not eat. He kept a fast for 22 hours. Next day again he prepared the bhog and brought it. Prabhu, today at least, please accept this food and bless me. The murtis are still not willing to budge. So the boy became desperate. He picked up a stick and he said, खाते हो या नहीं खाते हो तुम्हारी पिटाई कर दूंगा. If you don't eat, I'll beat you up. See, the stick was the symbol of his faith. He did not see those deities as stone. He saw them as the Lord. And he interacted with them in that manner. If they are the Lord, they must eat. He said, look, I am a little boy. If you don't eat, and Panditji comes to know, he will be annoyed, he'll dismiss me. Then what will I do? Where will I go? So you have to eat. All the murtis started laughing and their hands and feet started shaking. You see, God is everywhere. So is he not in his murti? He is only waiting for the day you actually have faith. Now that boy did have faith. Nave priyas chaturvedi mad bhakta shvapacha smrita. God says it's not the knowledge of the Vedas, but your devotional sentiments that purchase me. All the lords, they came to the plate and they started accepting that food. Now Hanumanji was also there in the temple. He started eating a whole lot. This boy was busy refilling the plate. But Hanumanji was eating so much that it all got over. He had to go and cook more and then again cook more. The consequence was that the rations for 2 months got over in 1 week. Now he had this heavy burden of going and doing bhiksha in the market for the mandir. And whatever people would offer to him, he would bring it back, cook it, and then offer to the Lord. He had a full day's work before him. Panditji, instead of returning in 2 months, he came back in 1 month. Panditji said, Beta, I'm very tired and very hungry. Oh, give me some food. The boy said, Panditji, there is nothing in the temple. I have to go and do bhiksha and then bring it. What? I left 2 months of rations. How come they got finished in 1 month? Did you sell them in the market and go and see pictures? Arey, nahi, Panditji. How will I ever do something like that? The problem is that Bhagavan was eating so much. And you should have seen how much Hanumanji was eating. What could I do? Panditji said, Badmash, Bhagavan was eating so much. Offer in front of me and show me. Again he went, did bhiksha, brought it, cooked it, and then he said, Hey Bhagavan, khaiye. Panditji was also there. God is not willing to budge. He says, please eat, and God is not moving. For the last 1 month he had been eating, suddenly he is not moving. So the boy says, you're going to prove me to be a liar? He picked up the stick again. Will you eat or not? I'm going to beat you. All the lords descended and they started eating. Panditji fainted. My God. Whew. My whole life has passed by worshipping the Lord. I've never seen a scene like this. The Lord himself came to eat from the plate of this little boy. What convinced them to do so? It was the simple faith. No doubts, no questions, full faith. He is God, he must eat. That kind of faith attracts the grace. That kind of faith we need towards God and the true Guru.